Hey guys, some of you have been wondering what codename Redneck is, and this is the prototype. It is a very, very large amplifier. This is the prototype case. It's basically what was open-tooled that we could fit it in for testing purposes. I'm going to tool a case for it so it will not look like this. And before you start with it's not. It's not. But this is the case that we can fit it in for testing. So we've got 4 sets of inputs, all 1/0. They will probably not be angled on production here. What I'm most likely going to do is make these come straight out and leave these angled. So for installation purposes, it'll run wires down, you can run together, that kind of thing. And on this side, you've got all of your adjustments, RCA input. Again, this I may or may not leave it angled on the top there. Kind of see how I feel about that. But this is very large. I'm going to grab a tape measure here. So, around the end here. At the terminals here are a little over 24 inches. And 11 inches wide there. So what that means, you can actually fit this in a lot more cars because it's not twice as long. Power rating wise, we're going to do some testing before I announce anything with that, but it's going to be a lot of power. It's also optimized for impedance rise. So the SPL people that have very high impedance rise, you won't have to wire it down into the ground to make good power. Should be pretty efficient, 85-87%. We'll test all that too. But the biggest thing is you can fit it in a whole lot of cars, which you can't do with a lot of your 8,000, 10,000, 12,000 watt amps. So that was one goal with that here. Fit in a lot of cars. And it should also be reasonably priced. We're aiming right now around the $2,400 for this, which once you see the power, that should make a whole lot more sense. These are limited to 16.0 volts. I don't have any plans on doing a higher voltage one unless there's enough people that pre-order them that I might. But we will get some testing done on this and post that as necessary. But this is the guy. It'll probably take us about 3 months to get them once we approve final design. But I will most likely do a pre-order in case these end up selling very well. I don't want to sell out of all of them that we're having made before they get here. So this is codename Redneck, and you will see more testing coming up here in the coming weeks.